So guys, basically I have done several videos on Eroxon gel, and the overall conclusion is that Eroxon gel does not work to achieve erection. Now, if you look back at my videos, there's been several comments that this gel does not work, the gel is a scam, doesn't work for anyone at all. I've barely had any reviews that have told me that Eroxon actually works for them. So it could be that maybe the mechanism of action is just not what's required to achieve sustainable erection. So I focused mainly on the UK website looking at Eroxon. If you remember, Eroxon is a gel that's usually applied to the head of the penis. You rub in for up to 15 seconds, you wait 10 minutes, then you're expected to achieve erection. So Eroxon, unlike Viagra, so if you're taking a tablet like Viagra, for example, how it works is it blocks the enzyme called PDE5, which then allows increased flow of nitric oxide and subsequently blood flow to the penis, which now becomes engorged. And then you can achieve erection, which is hard and sustainable for at least a good few minutes. However, Eroxon works on a different principle. It works on a warming and cooling effect where it stimulates the nerve glands and neurotransmitters of the penis to increase blood flow and increase erection. Now, this is all good because it avoids any side effects and any interactions with any other mechanisms by which other drugs might work. However, it simply has not worked. And when I have looked at the reviews of Eroxon, they've not been favorable. They've gone from reviews of 2 out of 5 to 2.5 out of 5. I've not had any reviews where you've had 3 out of 5 or 4 or 5 out of 5. So the overall conclusion is that Eroxon doesn't work. So if I have a quick look at some of these reviews, I looked at the Amazon UK website. You can see it's got 2.5 out of 5, which is not great. So if I scroll down quickly to the reviews, what the customers say, 1 out of 5 does not work for everyone. 5 out of 5, unusual feeling to begin with, but worked fine the both times I tried this product. 1 out of 5 does not work. Please don't waste your money on this product. I followed the instructions to the letter, applying a small amount of one of the individual tubes, and quite frankly, you could have applied a whole tube full with no effect, in capitals to emphasize what they're talking about. Eroxon tablets, I found that this did not work as well as they should have done. 2 out of 5, not worth the money. 1 out of 5 did not work for me. Again, you've got some good reviews here, 4 out of 5. However, tried and failed with this product, didn't work like a pill. So that's probably an error in the rating. If I look at the Boots website, again, that's 2.1 out of 5. Not great, is it? After reading reviews, I decided to try the product, followed instructions to the letter, absolutely nothing. No warm/cool feeling and no stimulation. Very disappointed. At last, great product, works well and makes foreplay easier. If I look to the Superdrug website, that's 1.8 out of 5. Made no difference whatsoever. Waste of money. I wouldn't waste my money again. Only contains alcohol and water. Oh dear. No effect whatsoever and caused a burning sensation. This says worked very well for me. Very pleased with the result. Had first grade sex in ages. Will not buy this again. Wrong spelling. No. So in general, the reviews are not great. You know, any product that's getting 1.8 out of 5, 2 out of 5, 2.5 out of 5 is simply a no for me. So I would advise the manufacturers to go back to the drawing board and think about how they can make Eroxon more effective so they can get better reviews of at least 3 and above out of 5, because this product is not cheap. It's £16 in the UK, but when you go to places like America, to buy the same pack is about $50 to $80 depending on the shops that you buy it from. You can check my video on where to buy Eroxon. For those where Eroxon has worked for you, you can check the video on where to buy Eroxon, or if you want to try Eroxon for the first time and you live outside the UK, then you can check my video on the availability to buy Eroxon. And you can also check other videos where I've done Eroxon reviews in the past. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please take good care of yourself.